Egypt is classified as a water-scarce country, and the race is on to deliver adequate supplies to support a growth population set to reach 115 million by 2025. DuPont, in cooperation with Integrated Environment Technologies, IETOS, designed a containerized ultrafiltration plant to serve 4 villages with around 60,000 inhabitants each. Built from pre-assembled units, the plant can be put together in 3 months and is 1/3 of the size of the previous facility. The highly modular design can be upscaled to meet demand increase of up to 25% without requiring further mechanical or electrical work. It is more efficient at delivering higher quality drinking water without heavy addition of treatment chemicals. The IntegraPack ultrafiltration solution excels in systems with a small footprint, and adding XP fibers in the modules enables up to 35% higher permeability, thus increasing productivity. Cost-effective products and technical expertise help transform communities, improving health, supporting greater productivity, and helping to create a brighter future. DuPont Water Solutions. Possibility flows with us.